Look, I'm trying to make it easy for you guys. Like, I'm trying to make it dead simple. And the truth is that there are certain pieces that men wear in a specific outfit that make you more attractive, that make you look more stylish than the rest. I want to make it so easy for you, so when you go to the closet, you don't have to figure anything out. You watch this video, grab inspiration from each outfit. It doesn't have to be every exact piece, just the concepts. Use those concepts, apply them to what you have in your closet, and look like a stud. Let's hop into it. Number one, the mock neck tee with cargos. This is a great, kind of semi-casual tech wear look. See, the mock neck, it's on fire this season. It's basically what I'm wearing right now, where it's not a turtleneck. It's about a quarter of the size of a turtleneck. So it's a t-shirt, it's lightweight, it's simple, it doesn't feel constricting at all, but it's a little bit elevated. And that's what makes it attractive. See, it sets you up. It's like a bar up from the rest of the guys. It also shows your style know-how. This one is from Essentials that we're dropping June 5th, by the way, because mock necks are popping. And then our cargos, this is also Essentials, by the way, but cargos are also on fire right now. See, tech wear is on point. It's lightweight, so you can easily wear it in the summer. You're not gonna feel constricting. It's probably gonna be way more comfortable than jeans and chinos. And these are adjustable on the bottom, so you can wear them loose if you want more of that loose cut look, or you can cinch them up to really expose the sneaker. Again, when we design these pieces with Essentials, I always keep in mind trends, and I always hand select the trends that are best for you. These are the trends that are gonna make you look best, that are probably gonna be timeless, so they're gonna be around for a while, and they're gonna make you look attractive. Number two, I call this one the summer tracksuit. See, tracksuits, they're also been on fire, but it's summer now. You're not gonna be wearing a complete jumper head to toe because you're gonna be sweating bullets. So you want something more comfortable, but you want it to be easy. See, the reason why tracksuits are popular is because it's two pieces that combine easily and they're comfortable. I wanted to do the same for summer. See, here we have a box mock neck tee. Again, that mock neck is killer because not only does it hug your neck nicely, it won't crimple up like regular tees, and then we added that box fit. Obviously, this short sweatsuit is from Essentials that's dropping June 5th as well. But again, you can get inspiration from somewhere else because there's other brands that do the same thing. Obviously, they won't be as good as us, but on top of shortening that sweater into a shirt version, we also turned your regular sweatpants more into shorts. Now, what you'll notice here is that we call this one our scuba material because it's a very thick material. It's a tri-blend, and when I tell you this was the hardest material to source, this material probably took us the longest out of anything, and when you purchase it June 5th, you're gonna see why. It is insanely soft and comfortable. It feels, I don't even know how to explain. It's like spongy. Like, it is the craziest fit. It looks ultra luxe and premium, almost like a tech wear piece. Yo, it's just sick. This is an attractive outfit that's super casual for a date in the park, for running errands, whatever it may be. We combine this with some long tube socks, some Air Force Ones. You got a clean look. Number three, your gray sweats, an oversized tee, and long tube socks. See, we already know this. Gray sweats for men, it's like leggings for women. It's just like, it's a sex appeal. Women love seeing dudes in gray sweatpants. Again, you probably don't want to wear sweatpants in summer, so why not get gray sweat shorts? Yo, these, of course, they're from Essentials as well. And I know what you're thinking. I was choked. I know what you're thinking. Oh, dang, Jose, you're just talking about your clothes. But I gotta, look, none of this is accidental. Guys, like, you really don't understand. When I design product, I do heavy amounts of research on culture, on trends, likes and dislikes, the human physique, and then I strategically design pieces that make you look and feel good. Like, none of this is accidental. All the tips that I preach to you, I throw them into every single collection I do. Bro, would I risk my life going to Peru if it were accidental? Like, we don't cut corners, not even when it comes to the campaign and pictures, which I could have easily shot in a studio. It would have been cheaper and safer. Hell no, though. I don't like to cut corners. I like to deliver the best of the best. And every single piece of this collection is intentionally designed with that in mind. They need to be in trend. They need to be in style. They need to make you look more attractive, and it needs to be timeless. It needs to be a classic piece, a basic piece that you can wear 50 times on. That is how I design every piece. That is the scrutiny that I put on every single piece in our collection for Essentials. And this collection, June 5th at 10 a.m. Eastern, is the greatest thing we've ever done. See, not only is every piece just incredible, the color palette is incredible. Yo, the colors that you'll see in this collection, you won't find in any other brand. That is guaranteed. You want to know why? They're custom. Again, no corners cut. See, the colors were pulled from this Rainbow Mountain that we went to in Peru. And when I tell you it was an 8-hour hike just to get to this mountain for you guys, to make sure the campaign came out like we envisioned it. And here's the crazy part. All those colors that you see in the collection were strategically pulled from that mountain. So if you don't get one of every color in this collection, you're going to miss out, because these colors will never be back and you won't find them in any other brand. Number 4, the Polo Shirt, dress pants, black shoots combo. Look, that all black look, that John Wick vibe look will always make men look better. This is just guaranteed. But putting a polo shirt, this is IQ level 400. See, most guys would wear a dress shirt, maybe a t-shirt. A polo shirt tucked in, yo, that takes know-how. See, this polo shirt, only the polo shirt, is from Essential, and this, we got inspiration from the 70s, so it's a knitted polo. We also added a zipper that's pretty deep instead of buttons. This makes sure that it's fully adjustable, so you can expose as much chest as you want, exactly as you want. So it adjusts to different body types, whether you're short or tall. And more importantly, we made sure that it had a very tight armband, so it sat nice and tight on the arms. Like, do you see how much thought goes into every piece? Number 5, I call this one the dad fit. And look, I'm a dad, so I know what I'm talking about. I throw on the dad jeans because you already know, RIP to those skinny jeans. They are gone out of my closet. Then I throw on the New Balances because, of course, I'm still a dad. And then I throw on a Champion hoodie, something a little bit oversized. And here's the final touch, that dad cap. Look, that washed out cap, bro, for summer. It's going to protect you from the sun's rays, and it's going to be great for those days that you're having a bad hair day. The cap is from Essentials. Boys, like, I'm not forgetting about nothing, bro. And these perfectly washed out gray trucker hats, look, like, this is class. This is timeless. You buy this cap, you're going to wear it for the next 6 summers, guaranteed. Number 6, the suit. Look, if you don't have at least one suit, you're missing out. This suit, it's from Suit Supply. It's all cotton. And that's what matters. See, for summer, you're not going to be wearing something super thick. A cotton suit just elevates your appearance. It makes you look high status. You got to remember, everything you wear sends a specific message. The suit, that suit is like your knight in shining armor. This is your secret weapon every man should have in their closet. And if you don't, you need to go pick one up. And finally, number 7, the plain black tee fit. See, the black tee, it's a classic. Every guy should have one crispy black tee, not faded, fits right in their closet. When you have it, throw it on with jeans. Black jeans, light wash jeans, white sneakers. This is like that go-to fit. Everybody, for whatever reason, the black tee, even though it's just as comfortable as a regular white tee, it just looks classier. It looks more elevated, and it makes you look a little more leaner, more athletically built. You want to know what we did with Essentials? Obviously, we have our bamboo black tee, which is the best-selling piece that we have in our entire collection. But we also added our new classy, dressy tee, which kind of looks like our polo tee. It's a knitted design. It has those tight armbands, so it makes your arms, bro, you look juiced up. They're going to think you did like 2 rounds of SARMs when you throw on this shirt. Boys, this collection, June 5th, you're not going to want to miss every single piece. I guarantee, I will put my name on it. It will make you look attractive, because when I design it, that's exactly what I'm thinking about. That's it from me today, boys. Those are 7 fits that you can deploy to look better. If you guys like this video and found it informative, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, boys, don't forget to check out our launch June 5th. That's it from me today. See you next time.